You gonna play this game?
Yeah.
Hello? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, shoot. Keep shooting it.
I'm gonna shoot this.
Whoa.
One more time.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Where'd that go? Down. It's too high. That's why you can't shoot it. Oh, what happened?
Stop.
You got stuck? Down. Lay, you're aiming high, baby. Down.
I'm gonna get. No,
Sure. How about this one? You want this what's this? Crossbow?
It's so big for me.
It's big for you? Why? Alright, Daddy, do it. Look.
Push it in. I don't want it.
Here, go ahead. Whoa.
We don't need that.
You got it?
I got it.
You sure?
Yeah.
I got it. And then you push it back. Push it back. Move your finger. There you go. And you look. Aim. Like that. Go, press. Whoa.
I almost hit Spider-Man.
I know. That do it. And you push it again. Like that all the way. Okay. Go. Press. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. Almost again. All right. Push it forward. Okay, can Daddy try? Look, this is how you shoot them. You ready?
That's so good.
Oh, I missed again.
It's my
All right.
turn.
Your turn. Let me Ooh. Okay. I know. And Daddy's turn. Daddy gonna shoot it now.
I already used this.
Watch this. Daddy gonna use this camera to aim. Oh, got it. I got him. Look, he's leaning on the wall. Leaning on the wall.
Lay down.
I know. Alright, Layla turn.
Okay, my turn.
Alright, push it. Don't press it yet. Point down. It's too high, baby. Like that. Go. Let it hold.
Just gonna.
Press. Oh! You got Iron Man. He's leaning against the wall.
Yeah, and Spider-Man and Iron Man.
I know.
Yeah, group.
What's that?
Group.
Huh?
Group.
What's group?
Here, I'm gonna show you.
Which one?
Group.
What's that?
Group.
What?
Group. Group.
Thor. That's Thor.
Oh, I thought it was group.
Alright, you want me to shoot Thor?
Yeah. No, I want to shoot him.
Alright, then I'll shoot the Hawk.
Hawk.
Right there.
What hawk?
The Hawk.
Hawk right there, the small one.
The green one.
The green one. Come on, Dad. You can't do this. Dad, I use that one and I use...
Oh, Oh, who's that? Go get your hat, man. Get your hat. Alright. Last one for Layla and Kuya's turn, okay? Hold on. No, Layla first and then Kuya's turn. Alright. You use that one? Don't take it out. This is ready already, boy.
I guess you did?
Yeah, hold on. Layla first. Layla is already there, babe. Let me see. It's already there, babe. Layla first, bye. Okay, Lay. You shoot, baby.
It's gonna
You want him, right? Okay.
Where does he go? Not that one. There.
Yeah.
Too hard.
Go ahead.
It's too hard.
Go ahead.
I get him. Almost.
Alright, let me see. Move. Oh, I missed again.
You gotta do hard.
It's okay.
My hand is too small.
Alright, let me shoot him for you. You ready? Look at daddy, okay?
Okay.
Oh!
Shoot
Another
again.
one. Shoot again. Last one. I think we got one bullet left. Oh, no more. It's okay. How about this one, Lay? You try this one.
Okay.
Okay.
You try that one?
Brian, turn, baby. Go.
Wait, I know this.
That's right. That's okay. Just shoot it. Nothing. Or then you pull the black. Yeah, that one. There you go.
Koya, can you hit him for me?
Let me see.
Okay.
Lay, what are you doing there? Get out of there.
I'm trying to get this.
Alright, get all the bullets then. Bye.
Daddy.
Alright, move. Kuya's coming over there.
Ah!
That's okay. It's okay. Alright, then pull it again, all the way. No, it didn't go through, babe. Let me see.
I got it now.
Alright, Lay.
I'm gonna shoot
Okay,
him.
go ahead, Layla. Shoot it. Nothing again.
Koya's turn to shoot mine. Come on, Koya, you can.
Let me see, Brian. Go ahead. Shoot it. Alright, go
My
ahead.
turn.
Layla, turn. There you go. Whoa. Nothing.
Now
What happened? Alright. How about this one? We'll do this one. Alright? Alright, Brian. Hold on. We're gonna do this one, baby. See? We're gonna do this one. Release. Reload. Reload. Alright, reload.
Daddy,
Alright.
hold on.
Alright, Layla. Go ahead. No, right here. Where are you going?
Daddy, I got it now.
Come on.
I'm trying to hurry.
Harry for what? Are you ready?
You're calling me.
Daddy gonna shoot Thor now. You ready?
Toy?
Yeah, watch him. Okay, you're gonna go down now. Yay! Leaning against the wall again.
Daddy?
It's not working? Alright, hold on. Whoa, where'd that thing go? The other way, baby. No, you're putting it the wrong way. See the arrow? The arrow is right there. Oh. The arrow should be this way. So your bullet. See the arrow right there?
Okay.
The other way.
This way?
Yeah. You don't put it all the way there. You put it on this side, baby.
What?
You push it, right? And you go like this.
Oh, okay. That's a reload.
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 That's it. Grandma, we have yours too? Okay, Quay, I have this one and you have that one, okay? Okay. Can I have
All right.
yours?
I'm sorry. I'm gonna shoot small Spider-Man.
Why? Go!
Oh, I got him. I got him. How about Hulk? The Incredible Hulk. You ready? Gotcha. Oh. Can't even shoot him.
Wait. No!
Oh. Hila, move, eh? Come here.
Do this. No more. No! We are nine.
Reload.
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 Got him.
Reload. Reload.
Move. Ah.
You got
You
it?
gotta move. You gotta move.
Reload.
You gotta move. You gotta move.
Reload. Go.
I'm out of bullets.
Get out the bullet.
Yep. Let me see if I have one more left. If I can shoot the Incredible Hulk. Yeah.
No, let's do this.
Oh, you're too close. You gotta move back.
Oh, but I'm shooting.
Reload. No more. Empty magazine.
No. Daddy, can. Daddy, oh yeah, you put it here. Queen, watch out! I'm gonna shoot Iron Man. I'm gonna shoot Iron Man too. No! No! Don't shoot Iron Man. Yeah. No! 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 No!
Whoa.
Do that.
Brian, you're too close.
No. That's my Iron Man.
Okay.
No more! No more! Don't you Iron Me?
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, no. I need some more bullets.
Some more?
Right? Yeah, more bullets. Wait, Daddy, me.
Like
You
this
got
one right
it.
here?
I need more. We need more bullets. I need more bullets. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. I need more bullets too. Okay.
Nice hat. Who you got there?
Mario,
And
Donkey Kong.
no, and
I got Donkey Kong.
yeah, Mario, Donkey Kong, and who else? Who's the other one?
Luigi and Yoshi.
Yoshi's there too. Where's
Yeah.
Yoshi? No, that's Donkey Kong. Where's Yoshi?
Right there.
Oh, right there. What? All right,
Okay, Yoshi and Luigi. Wait, watch out! I'm gonna shoot
Yoshi
Coke.
and Luigi.
And I'm gonna shoot Coke for you.
Okay, baby
I
girl.
got it. Oh no! Oh, thank God! Oh, I need to go. No. No. Leo. No.
Come on, knock them down.
I can't.
See, they're smiling at you.
Guys, you do fun. Can't see. Guys, I can't see.
Brian, move so Layla can shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Shoot them.
What? I forgot just to put it, and I forgot.
Oh, oh. Hey guys. goodness! Why you do that? Oh!
Get more bullet!
One more bullet? It's okay. It's a lot more behind you, Lay. Come on.
Thanks. Get more bullet! And more
Okay.
bullet too.
Move, Lay. Hey, what are you doing? Don't move away.
I need more bullet too.
No, don't do that. No. Why you do that? Oh my goodness. Oh, operation. Operation. Oh my goodness. Oh. No, don't shoot me. Ah. We're done. Oh my goodness, look at them. Oh. Uh-oh. What are you doing there? They're leaning on each other. Oh. Oh. That's it. No more. What do you guys say?
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Bye. Please subscribe our channel. Bye.